Hi, I'm Piers van Hamburg from McGrath, and I'd like to welcome you to my May market review. April is traditionally a bit of a disjointed month because you've got Easter and also the Anzac Day weekend, so it is a little bit interrupted in the real estate calendar. Having said that, we did find it was a good month. The media and newspapers and television have been very positive about the property market all year, and this is the first month where we've sort of seen the media turn on us a little bit and sort of they're indicating that the market's starting to slow down. We haven't actually seen that slow down in the market. Now, we had a 75% auction clearance rate last weekend, and that's also consistent with the month of April, where the overall auction clearance rate for the Lower North Shore was 75%, and for McGrath, Neutral Bay, Mossman and now Chatswood, our auction clearance rate was 76%. So I think the market's still very strong. The volume of sales is a little bit down on the previous month due to Easter, but we still managed to have 315 sales across the Lower North Shore. Now, the average sale price came in at $1.26 million, and the highest sale for the month was $4.95 million. Now, looking at our 4 offices, we had 37 sales for the month. 18 of those sales came out of Neutral Bay, and it took only 22 days on average to sell those homes. For myself personally, it was a bit of a quieter month. I had 5 sales for the month of April. Now, this was coming off a massive month in March where we did 20 sales. One sale which I would like to highlight was 99 Bay Road in Waverton. Now, have a look at this video.
At $1 million, I'm bid $1,020,000 if you like, call out centre left. First call we sell, second call we sell at $240. Nice to meet you, sir, at $240. What about 10? I'll work with you, sir. 10 on top. It's only money. You won't know in due course, I assure you. 45, well bid. You'd be 50 surely. Quickly, sir. $1,255,000, even better.
In total, we had 40 bids taken at the auction.
411, make it 15. At 12, 12 and 13. Quickly, keep coming with me, sir.
Our reserve was $1,050,000.
At 1,412. Going. Sold to you, sir. Congratulations, well purchased.
Final buyer, it actually went to a downsizer couple from Pimble, and we'll be getting the architects in next week to start planning their dream home. So as you can see, that was a very successful auction. Now, as far as properties I've got coming up, I've got a fantastic house at 5 Montague Road in Cremorne. Now, this is the perfect family home with a level back garden and a pool, quoting more than $2.6 million. Now, if you want a development, we've got 31 Churchill Crescent in Camaray, which is a large block of land. In fact, it's 677 square metres. It has got a house on it, and we're quoting over $1.7 million. So it's a great opportunity for you to build your dream home. And finally, we've got 4 of 100 Chadforth Street in Mossman. This is a beautiful little older style apartment, and it's got a really nice big outdoor deck, which is unusual in a 1920s apartment, and it's also got parking. Quoting more than $750,000, I highly recommend this apartment. I've certainly been working in some very exciting times. We actually opened our 4th office a couple of weeks ago, so we opened the Chatswood office, which is really exciting because that's an area where there's amazing potential. And on a personal note, my wife and I are actually expecting our 3rd child in the next couple of days. So by the time I do my next market review, I will be a very happy and proud father of 3 children. Thank you for watching my market review. If you'd like any real estate advice, I'd love to hear from you.